Have you ever wondered how much of the water in the world is fresh water? If you were to put all that water in a bubble, how big would it be? Do you notice that tiny bubble over Atlanta, Georgia? That one represents fresh water in all the lakes and rivers on the planet, and most of the water people and life of Earth need every day comes from these surface water sources. The diameter of this sphere is about 34.9 miles. Yes, the Great Lakes looks way bigger than this sphere, but you have to try to imagine a bubble almost 35 miles high. The largest bubble includes all the water in the oceans, ice caps, lakes, and rivers, as well as groundwater, atmospheric water, and all the water in human beings. Much of this drinkable water is a result of a process which can take thousands of years to cycle. Evaporating ocean water will eventually return to solid ground as rainwater. It is the returning water that we grow our food with, we wash with, and what we use for just about everything else. And while some of that rain returns to soil to be recycled, more and more of this rainwater is falling on developed Earth, such as our cities. Then it is pumped to our sewers and oceans, breaking the cycle of natural purification. With population growth and lifestyle needs, our freshwater use has tripled over the last 50 years. We are more plentiful, we have greater needs, and we have even newer demands. In truth, we use fresh water for just about everything from crops and power generation to automotive factories and mining. Fresh water is used in just about every form of American power plant, from nuclear to gas. Among power plants using freshwater for cooling in 2008, nuclear power plants use more water per unit of electricity produced. Nuclear power and coal consume fresh water from streams and rivers. Even new methods of carbon capture would increase the use of water. Clean coal consumption will jump by 40%, and now, we have another use for fresh water. Hydraulic fracturing. Fracking in 2011 consumes on the order of 135 billion gallons of water alone, and its growth is exploding. According to a 2013 report by research hydrologist Leonard DeFonico at the United States Geological Survey, the depletion of the Aguilar Aquifer under the Great Plains is about 32% from 2001 to 2008 of the cumulative depletion from the entire 20th century. Fracking and water at the pumping are now believed to cause major problems. With such high demand on this mandatory resource, we must ensure we have enough to feed and maintain billions. Conservation of fresh water may just start with you and me.